Are you tired of high utility bills and inefficient water heating systems? In this video, we're going to explore whether smart water heaters are the game changer you've been looking for. We'll dive into their impressive energy efficiency, potential cost savings, and eco-friendly benefits that could revolutionize your home. What is a smart water heater? A smart water heater is much more than a traditional water heater. It's a next-generation system that combines technology with efficiency, offering unmatched control and convenience. These innovative units come with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control them remotely through a mobile app. Integration with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant means you can adjust your settings using just your voice. But here's the real magic. Smart water heaters learn your water usage patterns over time. They automatically adjust their heating schedules to match your needs, optimizing energy use and slashing waste. Key benefits of smart water heaters. 1. Energy efficiency equals big savings. One of the most compelling reasons to switch to a smart water heater is their energy efficiency. According to Energy Star, these systems can reduce energy consumption by 10% to 20% annually, leading to significant savings on your water heating bills. That's not just a drop in the bucket, it's a substantial reduction. Smart water heaters adjust their heating schedule to ensure that hot water is always ready when you need it, but never heated unnecessarily. 2. Unbeatable convenience. Convenience is king. With a mobile app, you can control your water heater from anywhere, whether you're lounging at home or on vacation. The app allows you to track energy consumption, set preferences, and ensure you're not heating water when you don't need it. Plus, integration with other smart home devices makes it even easier. Imagine a world where your water heater, smart thermostat, and lights all work together, saving you even more energy and money. 3. Eco-friendly impact. If you're eco-conscious, a smart water heater is a fantastic choice. These systems help reduce your carbon footprint by minimizing unnecessary energy waste. Plus, they can be linked with renewable energy sources like solar panels, making them a perfect fit for a green home. Weather-based adjustments ensure that your water heater performs optimally without wasting energy, no matter the season. Cost considerations. Is it worth the investment? Yes, smart water heaters come with a higher upfront cost compared to traditional models, but here's the key: long-term savings. By reducing your energy bills by 10 to 20%, you can expect a return on investment within a few years. Plus, there are often rebates and tax incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient appliances, which helps offset the initial cost. In the long run, smart water heaters can end up paying for themselves, overcoming challenges and considerations. Before you make the switch, it's important to know that smart water heaters may not be compatible with older plumbing systems, so it's essential to check your home's infrastructure. Also, keep in mind that smart water heaters rely on a stable Wi-Fi connection, which could be problematic in areas with unreliable internet or power. There's also a slight learning curve when adjusting settings and integrating with other smart devices. But don't worry, it's easier than you think, and the payoff in convenience and efficiency is well worth the effort. How smart water heaters compare to traditional models. When comparing traditional water heaters to smart models, the difference is clear. Traditional systems often rely on basic timers or manual adjustments, meaning they can waste energy by heating water when it's not needed. In contrast, smart water heaters adjust their heating schedules based on real-time usage patterns. While traditional models might be cheaper upfront, smart water heaters offer far more efficiency and control, making them the superior long-term choice. Are smart water heaters the future? Without a doubt. Smart water heaters are a big part of the smart home revolution, and they're becoming more accessible as technology improves and prices drop. In the next few years, it's likely that these systems will be the norm in homes across the world, as homeowners prioritize energy savings and environmental sustainability. With advancements in renewable energy and smart technology, the potential for these systems to transform home heating is vast. Smart water heaters aren't just the future, they're the now. With energy savings, convenience, and eco-friendly benefits, they are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to cut costs and reduce their environmental impact. So why wait? Upgrade your home today and start saving with a smart water heater.